All right, what's up, y'all? This is Michael with Man Mike's Customs. I had a customer come in. They were complaining of an engine vibration, engine noise. They didn't understand what was going on. AC had just been worked on. Belt was new. They couldn't figure it out. Just so you guys know, Nissan Sentra 2.0. Nissan. This is going to work for various models. I'm pretty sure this will work for basically any of the 2.0 motors in Nissan, particularly with this Sentra. You're probably going to go down all the way to, if it's a 07, I believe. Let's double check. Let's get it together, guys. Where are we at? Give me a sec. Manufacturing date 0407, just so if anybody wanted to know how to look for it. Manufactured date 0407. So if it's in April, anything before 06, that will be a 07. But if it was 04 or if it was 06, 07, you might want to look into that, because they skip ahead. The year and the title would be off from the information on the VIN. Anyways, so the car came in, it needed a ground. I'll be doing 2 videos. We'll come back to this, but yeah, that's the ground. Scratched it, surfaced it, installed the new ground, scratched it, surfaced it. It's all oily. But to do the tensioner, just to give you guys an idea where it's at, let me see if I can get a good angle on it. Gotta drop the belt out the way. Basically, that's it right there with this coily spring in this vicinity is a tensioner, and that'll be the pulley right there above my finger. Bam. Sorry, throwing the focus off on the camera, but yeah, that's the pulley. We'll be changing that out today, so you'll see when I make the edit cut in. But to take it off, you gotta come down here, and up in there's my socket. And that's the hole. It's a Torx bit. Make sure your Torx bits fit flush. A lot of times they'll have like a slight jiggle. Torx bits don't jiggle. So there it is right there. Star bit, Torx. Okay, no. It's a T50. And I tried the T47 and that fit, and I tried the T45 and that fit, but they were both off by a couple teeth. The T50 fit perfect. Now, I use a breaker bar Matco ratchet. It's a lot more easier with the swivel head on it. Just gives you more play, more angle. And you can always lock it up. I have the, ratchet screwdriver, flathead and Phillips. But yeah, so what I did was, you're gonna have a doggy door right here. It'll be this. This is your doggy door. I took all the clips off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. And then that'll release, and all the trim is just pop on. But down there you have 3 Phillips. 1, 2, 3. Here's my Phillips. There's your 3 screws. But yeah, once you get that out, you pull it out. To take this fender out, you have to grab it from the inside and pull towards you, and then push down, which will cause this little hook. This hooks and it slides towards you. But yeah, so that's the doggy door. And then, so to get to that process, even to get to this point, you're gonna have to remove this motor mount up here, okay? So the motor mount consists of 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and the back screws right here, 3. Okay, you're gonna need an 18 for the lower bolts down here, 2 in front, 1 in back, and then it's 13 for the rear bolts. Got a handful of them up there. I use my trusty Milwaukee impact, 800-pound torque. I did recommend changing the belt. Unfortunately, we're on a budget at this moment, So we're doing what's important. Changing the tensioner was mandatory. The belt was fine. AC compressor was just done. So the belt has typical normal wear. This is going to be the new tensioner though. New spring, new everything. This pulley, it makes no noise. Let me show you. See, it's spinning and it makes no noise. And trust me, this is a 12 Pro Max, boys. So you'd hear it. But all right, guys, we're gonna cut this short. We'll be back with the installation portion of this. I'll probably just make a part 2. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you made it this far in the video. Drop a comment. All that action and movement helps out, and eventually we'll get to the point where we're doing videos every day trying to help people. If you guys have any questions, you need any help, you're in the local area, rural Illinois, hit me up, Mad Mice Customs. You can Google me. After that, y'all have a good day. Peace.